so we have our pumpkin ravioli in the bottom of our 13 by 9 pan. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with some Alfredo sauce. You can make your own ravioli, your own sauce if you want, but we're making something super special with these two. And I'm so excited to try this pumpkin ravioli. I usually use the regular ravioli for this recipe, but 'tis the season for that pumpkin everything. So I'm so excited to give this a try. Okay, we're using that whole jar, and this one is the 16-ounce jar. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spatula and just spread that Alfredo sauce right on top of those raviolis. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be such an easy dinner, so quick, so delicious, perfect for a weekday. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and add our protein, and this is a rotisserie chicken that I shredded. So we're gonna go ahead and just put that chicken right on top of the Alfredo sauce. Now those pumpkin raviolis do not have any meat in them, so I am putting meat in my dish. But if you are vegetarian, you can obviously skip this meat. Okay, just put a nice layer right on top. I think I'm gonna use about half of this rotisserie chicken that I shredded. Go ahead and do the same thing that we did with the sauce with that meat. Ooh, that chicken smells so delicious. Beautiful. All right, now I'm coming in with some chopped Italian herbs. Add a little color and freshness to this. And we're just gonna do a light sprinkle, just like that. Perfect. Okay. Of course, we're gonna need some cheese in our ravioli dish. So I'm using some mozzarella, and we're gonna use about half of this bag. Just do a nice light sprinkle right on top. Oh yeah, okay. Now save the rest of that bag for later. I have here another package of my pumpkin ravioli. So 2 packages total, and we're gonna go ahead and just layer that right on top of here, just like this. This is gonna be so good. It's almost gonna be like a ravioli lasagna. It's so delicious and easy to make, so much easier than making a full-on lasagna, and it's gonna be just as delicious. Okay, we're almost done here. Oh, this one had one more than the other package. That is crazy. But you know what? I'm not mad about it because now I have a perfectly filled pan. All right, now I'm coming in with more Alfredo sauce. Just use the whole jar. So 2 packages of ravioli and 2 jars of Alfredo sauce. Delicious. All right, come back with that spatula and spread it on top of our ravioli the best we can. This looks perfect. We are almost done here. Just a few more ingredients and then we are done. Okay, I'm coming back in with that mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna use the rest of this mozzarella cheese now, just like so. Oh, yeah. Okay, put that right there. I have some Parmesan cheese. This is optional. If you don't want too much cheese, you obviously don't need to do Parmesan. But you guys know I love my cheeses, and I want a nice cheese crusted top because that is what makes this dish so good. Ooh, and that pumpkin. I mean, come on. Pumpkin ravioli. I had to get it. I couldn't leave the store without grabbing some of that. All right, come back in with our Italian herbs. Do a nice sprinkle again, just like so. And then we have one more ingredient, and then this is popping in the oven. Beautiful. All right, last ingredient, some Italian style breadcrumbs. Now I'm not just gonna dump this on top. I'm actually just gonna do a nice little sprinkle just to get a little crunch on the top of our lasagna ravioli bake. Oh, this is gonna be good, you guys. Okay, that looks beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 25 minutes. All right, you guys, look at that. It looks so good. A little browning of the cheese. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this. Should just cut perfectly into those square raviolis. Oh my goodness, okay. This is gonna be delicious. Just get underneath all of that. Get the perfect little slice. Oh yeah, that looks so good, you guys. Okay, I think I got too big of a plate, but that's okay, because I'm gonna have seconds. Looks so cheesy and delicious. And don't forget, we have that pumpkin in there. This is gonna be incredible. Oh yeah, the perfect bite with that chicken, the ravioli. That is so good, you guys. You gotta try it.